So before choosing a newer version of Java or upgrading the version of Java for development purposes in macOS, unless you're going to be a full-on developer and you're programming in different versions of Java, or your computer is requiring specific versions, it's actually great to just clear out any existing versions of Java. A lot of macOS installations actually come with Java pre-installed, and sometimes even only half installed, so it's only a runtime environment instead of the full development environment. So it's actually good just to start fresh. So this video is just to show you how to clear out any existing versions of Java before choosing only one version that you want to be installed. So from the Finder, if you go up to Applications, we're going to open up a terminal window. Yes, if you've never used a terminal window, this is the time we're going to do it. So scroll down here to Utilities, and then scroll down to Terminal App. So everything we need to do is right in the terminal interface. You can do it with the the folder view interface, but it's actually a lot easier and a lot less hassle to do it through the terminal interface. So to verify that you've actually got more than one version, or which versions you actually installed, at the command line we'll do a listing, so that's the ls command, and we will look at a specific place where Java is installed. So library Java, Java virtual machines. Press enter and you'll see that we have three. We have three virtual machines installed here. To see the various dates, we can use the same command, and then we'll just add a -al for all and long listing. So what this will do is show us everything within that directory or that folder. So you can ignore the first two, the dot and the dot dot. That's a totally different video on how to use the folders and directory structures. But you'll see we've got JDK 11, that's from 2018, JDK 13 from 2019, and JDK 1.8, which I guess is this year of some sort when it got installed. So there's three different versions of Java. To actually see which version of Java is actually active, we can just ask the Java virtual machine which version you are. So it looks like it's the latest of the list there. So the 2019 version is the one that's active, even though the JDK 1.8, which is the oldest version of Java, and it looks like it's the newest installed version, it's version 13 that's actually active. So as I was saying, if you have more than one version of Java, it actually does become a bit of a hassle. So the best thing to do is just clear these out completely. Well, if you look up here at the very top, when we did that listing, all we really need to do is just remove these three versions of Java before we can continue. And to do that, it's just a simple command, but we do have to do it as an administrative user. So we'll use the sudo command. So substitute user, and we'll do something with it. And we will remove, and we're going to force recursive, and we're going to remove everything in Java, Java virtual machines, and then we'll do each one individually just to see what the effect is. We can probably do them all, but let's just do each one individually. So let's get rid of JDK 11. It's the first one in the list, and it's asking me for my administrator password, so it should be your user password. Awesome, no error message, so it looks that it's been removed. So easiest thing is just to up arrow, and we will let's get rid of 13. So we'll get rid of that version. And didn't ask us for a password, but I guess it's remembering, which is really nice. And let's get rid of 1.8 as well. So now if we do that same listing command, so I'm just using up arrow just to go back to my history of commands. Let's take a look. We don't have any version of Java running. So we've completely removed any Java virtual machine or any Java environment that's on our computer. I don't know if I really want to do it, but let's see if we ask Java what version it is. Awesome, it's not running. So of course macOS is saying, hey, if you want to run Java, you need to install it. So thank you much for letting us know. So no Java is installed, so now we can progress and actually install the different version. So that'll be another video, but for right now, congratulations, you've cleared out any old or weird Java environments you've got running. If you didn't have any of these installed, of course, you're much better off. So you'll have a full clean installation if you go with a new version. So otherwise, good luck.